Hello, and welcome to Aerotech Flight Safety Solutions AerFLIGHT, our flight operations and safety management system. We shall now look at the safety management system, AerSAFE. AerSAFE is designed in accordance with international safety standards and industry practices as recommended by ICAO, Transport Canada, and the UK CAA. It covers all elements of a safety management system. Safety Manager can add the organization's safety policy statement, displaying this in their own format using a rich text editor. Users are notified when a new or updated policy has been uploaded. These users should then acknowledge having read the policy. Personnel can complete the flight journey log and any other flight safety report, for example, tech log, cabin crew defect, etc. In addition, a ground incident safety report may also be submitted. Reporting uses built-in report templates, however, customized templates can easily be implemented. Serious incidents or accidents will automatically initiate and flag a mandatory report and an internal accident investigation process. We shall now add a flight safety report. We select the flight from the list, select Add Flight Reports, select the type of the occurrence, the sector that the occurrence happened on. The flight number is automatically selected and so is the flight type. Select the flight phase, location, and the category levels. If there was a delay due to this particular occurrence, then yes can be selected and the details of the delay can be entered. Otherwise, no can remain selected. Environmental conditions may be entered here. The precipitation, wind speed, temperature, visibility, and runway state. And the occurrence description, the title, and description. If there are any attachments, they may be added by clicking on the plus sign and selecting the appropriate file from the list. Once this is added, the flight occurrence can be saved. An alert is received saying that this flight occurrence has been added. This flight is then selected, and selecting list gives a list of all the reports raised against that particular flight. This is then first reviewed by the safety manager. The safety manager enters the department that it's related to, the safety class, any remarks, if a ROSI is required or not, if an investigation is required or not. This is then saved. After it has been reviewed, an authorizer is assigned. This is done by the safety manager. The authorizer then assigns a person responsible. And while assigning the person responsible, the authorizer says whether corrective action is required or not. The authorizer adds commence and adds the due date for the corrective action. The person responsible then adds the corrective action. Any evidence files may be uploaded by clicking the plus sign, and the implementation date can be added. Once the corrective action has been added, the authorizer needs to authorize the corrective action. Once the corrective action has been reviewed, in order to authorize, select the report and select authorize. The authorizer may accept or not accept the corrective action, enter remarks, and save. An alert is then sent that the corrective action has been authorized. Now going on to voluntary and confidential reporting. Personnel can submit a voluntary confidential safety report. User is able to maintain two-way communication of report progress and status. So they are always get informed and also will know what actions have been implemented as a result of the report. Additionally, for confidential reports, the reporter details are withheld. The system provides facility for a guest user with no account to report a safety issue. To add a voluntary or confidential report, select Add. You may enter a report for yourself or for someone else. Select third party in that case. Select voluntary or confidential. In the Conditions tab, at the date of the occurrence, the time at which it occurred, if there were any other weather conditions, select if the occurrence was related to the company aircraft. In that case, select the type of aircraft and the tail. If other aircraft were involved, then this may be ticked. If the occurrence was related to a particular flight, then this may be ticked and the flight details can be entered. After which, in the Report tab, you would enter the title, the description of the report, and any suggested cause and recommended preventive action. Again, attachments may be added by clicking on the Browse button. Once this is completed, the report is saved. The report is then assigned for corrective action. It is assigned to a particular department with a due date. The authorizer and the person responsible is selected. and any files may be attached. Marks may be entered here. Once this is saved, corrective action needs to be added with the date of the action and any attachments. Once this is saved, it can be authorized. Accepted or not accepted is selected, and the date of the action. This concludes voluntary and confidential reporting. Next, we go to accident and incident reporting. The accident and incident reporting can initiate either a safety or a security investigation. This could be ad hoc, or it could be initiated from an existing safety report. The investigation report is submitted and goes through an approval process before being finalized and managed into a central repository. Additionally, any further actions required as a result of the investigation may be initiated and managed. We now go on to safety indicators. The safety manager can define safety thresholds and targets from a list of predefined safety indicators within a period of time, for example, number of incidents in a month. The system automatically notifies the user if any threshold is exceeded. Now, we will look at the risk management submodule. Here we can initiate a safety risk-related assessment report for an airfield or other risk-related issues. This report then goes through a hazard identification and mitigation process. A number of hazards can be identified for each report. Each hazard then goes through a mitigation process. Additionally, any further actions required as a result of the assessment may be initiated and managed. Similarly, we have the security assessment submodule. Here we can initiate a security-related assessment report for an airfield or aircraft. This report then goes through a hazard identification and mitigation process similar to the risk management report. A number of hazards are identified, and each hazard goes through a mitigation and authorization process. The risk register is a provision of an automatic and central repository of all risks and hazards identified across the organization. This provides a single portal from which all known hazards that exist within the organization can be assessed and managed. Safety meetings is a facility to schedule meetings, inviting attendees and defining agendas. Once meeting is set up and completed, the meeting minutes may be added along with any action items. Actions added follow corrective action and preventive action process and are authorized by the authorizer. FDM reporting provides a database of all FDM parameters and repository of all FDM reports, along with any flight exceedances and corrective actions required. There are several reports that are already built into the system. However, customized reports may be easily created by requesting them. Data may be exported into XLS or PDF format. We can look at some reports here. We select on the criteria. Here we see a list of the report types that may be printed: the occurrence report log, occurrence report status by safety class, occurrence safety class by category, occurrence safety class monthly trend, and occurrence and delays. Any of these reports may be printed for a specific date range, and then show is clicked and the report is generated. To summarize, this is a consistent corrective action and preventive action process is used throughout AerSAFE and the rest of AerFLIGHT. This workflow is consistent across the entire system, saving time and reducing administrative effort by automatically routing tasks and alerting users at the appropriate stages. The workflow can be customized for the customer's own preference. All report templates may be customized according to the customer's preferences. The system provides listed repository of all reports with all statuses and outstanding actions. The system can be set up and configured by the customer very easily and at no additional cost. Real-time communication and alerting system ensures safety actions are performed and closed much quicker. Reduces the number of incidents due to increased safety data acquisition and trending analysis capabilities. Reporting, data acquisition, and automatic self-monitoring helps identify any adverse safety trends. User permission management and workflows inhibit any unauthorized alteration or disposition of information. Avoids compliance failures and highlights weaknesses in the safety system within the operation. That ends the overview. If you would like further information or would like to arrange for a live one-to-one demo, please contact us using the contact details on our website www.aerotechflightsafety.com.